In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit statuses in ClickUp, Workflow Updates 2026. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. Sign into your ClickUp account using your preferred method, email and password, or a supported single sign-on. If you're part of more than one workspace, make sure you're in the correct one before continuing. Quick note, editing statuses at the space level can require specific permissions. So if you don't see the option later, you may need access from your admin. Once you're in, you'll land on your ClickUp home. Look to the left sidebar. That's where you'll find your spaces and the rest of your navigation. We're going to adjust statuses for a specific space because statuses are managed at that level and cascade down to folders and lists within it. Hover over the space you want to update. You'll see a 3 dots icon appear next to the space name. Click that icon to open the space menu. Then choose Task Statuses. This opens the status editor for that space. Inside the editor, you can shape your workflow so it mirrors how your team actually moves. Work from start to finish. Click any status name to rename it with clear, action-oriented language. Things like To Do, In Progress, Review, and Done work well. Choose colors that deliver quick visual cues. Many teams use related shades for in-progress steps and a distinct color for blocked or needs attention. Drag statuses to reorder them so the left-to-right flow matches your real process. If you need another stage, add it. If something is outdated, remove it carefully and confirm the mapping so existing tasks move to the right replacement. Designate a final done or closed status to keep reporting, automations, and dashboards accurate. Remember, statuses are different from priorities or tags. They power board columns, influence reporting like burn-up or cycle time, and often trigger automations. If you rely on automations tied to specific status names, review them after renaming to ensure they still line up. When you're satisfied, apply your changes and save. Saving finalizes the updates for this space, and tasks will immediately reflect the new names, colors, and order. Renaming preserves task history, while deleting or merging statuses may reassign tasks according to your chosen mapping, so read the confirmation carefully. These updates affect only the space you edited. For a consistent experience across multiple spaces, repeat the same process in each one, or align on a shared naming and color convention. And that's it. Go to ClickUp, sign in, open the space menu, select Task Statuses, refine names, colors, and order, then apply and save. With a clear, consistent set of statuses, your team will communicate progress faster and avoid confusion across views and reports. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!